and welcome to my review of the Samsung MG23K3575AK microwave and grill in black, kindly delivered to me by AO.com to let me review and keep this item. We've only just had it, we haven't even took the stickers off the front yet, so this is a sticker, it will come off. The item is black, obviously. As you just seen, the door handle is just to pull open. There's no button to open it. You just pull it. The manual and the tray. The grill is in the top, so it's a microwave grill. Never had a microwave grill before, so this is our first. Put a cup of water in it, because you're not supposed to do anything with it empty. That's the time at the moment. It's going to focus. The heatwave grill is just the grill at the top of the unit without the microwave. And then there's Heatwave Auto, which has, I think it's 15 preset items for varying sorts of food. There's a quick defrost, which I think has also settings, and an auto cook, which again is for the microwave, and it's got various settings. I'm a bit disappointed on a previous microwave, it had a setting for coffee, just to reheat a cup of coffee. I can't seem to find that on this one. The microwave button is purely for the microwave when using deeper settings. There's a keep warm option, which isn't a reheat, it's for items that are cooked and to keep them warm. Combi is the microwave and the grill. And then this button is to add 30 seconds to the grill option. Dial button increases and decreases different settings. There's a little button there which is like the enter button, and also to set the time. Button on your left, you can just about make out there's two buttons there. That's your off button, and that's your start button in 30-second increments. It's an 800 watt microwave. As I say, there's a cup of water in there at the moment. Quickest way to start anything. Start button. 30 seconds. You can add to that in 30-second increments. And you can also use the dial to amend that down and back up. As I say, the off button, you can pause it so you'd open if you had an item you needed to turn over. It doesn't lose the time. You press start again and it continues from where it let off. To stop it totally, you press the off button twice. It goes back to the clock and it's done. So there is a child lock option, but it doesn't lock the door. It just locks the settings, so it can't be used. Using the grill with the microwave, which is the only other thing we've used just to test it. It's the combi button, and automatically the highest setting is now 600 watts. So the microwave is 800, but with the grill it will only go to 600. So we tried a certain frozen pizza in an American town. Would never normally cook in the microwave, but we tried it with the grill, and it was done in about 4 minutes, and the cheese was melted, so that was very nice. The light comes on when you open the door. When we tend to use things, I don't know if it was true, but I was told to leave the door open to let the moisture out. That light automatically goes off after 5 minutes, which is a good saving. So we use the quick start with just pressing the 30-second button. If you had something a bit more in depth, you go to microwave, choose your power level, hit that little enter button, then you set the time and start. And say, if you turn the knob, you can change the time as well. It's not focusing very well. It's black, it's stylish, the sticker will come off. Obviously, got the grill razor with it, the manual, and the warranty. Remember something else then, I can't remember what it was. Okay, yes, sorry. It will easily take a 28cm or 11-inch plate, so it is the larger microwaves. It's brilliant how to use it more. Thank you.